Welcome to our AnyML Video Learning Library. In this video, we will go through an overview of our entire automated machine learning platform. We'll take you through the journey of how AnyML simplifies the machine learning process from data uploading to going live in production. Let's get started. Our AnyML solution starts with uploading your data onto the platform. The first step we take within the platform is to clean and prepare your data, making it ready for analysis. From here, the application automatically tests and trains several models and ranks them according to their accuracy. Once the optimal model is selected, the platform creates easy-to-understand reports and charts showing how well the model performs. You can explore how the model behaves in different situations using interactive tools. Once you're satisfied with the results, the model can be deployed and will be continuously monitored for errors and accuracy. Let's start with logging in. Follow this link to log in to the AnyML platform. If you haven't registered yet, click on the Sign Up tab on the login page. You will be prompted to provide your name, email address, and create a password. You will then receive an email with further instructions to complete your account setup. Once completed, you can begin using the AnyML application. How to navigate through the platform. Upon logging in, on the left-hand side of the application, you will find the AnyML main menu. First is the dashboard, where you are able to view your statistics and recent activities. The first time you log into AnyML, the dashboard will be empty until you upload your first file. Next is Experiments, where you will have access to all of your experiments and review their results. Data Files is where you can organize your data files into folders. ML Ops is where you can manage all your deployed models. If you are an admin, you will see an additional Users tab where you can manage your internal team members and their roles. You can learn more about user administration in our other videos. You can view your assigned industry at the top center of the screen. For our demo tour, we have assigned the telecom industry to the organization. We support over 35 industries and can assign one based on your needs. Uploading a data file. To start the machine learning journey, you can create a folder from the top right toolbar and upload your CSV or XLS data file inside it. Let's create a new folder and upload a data file from your desktop using the Browse or Drag option. Once the data file is uploaded, you will see several columns and rows available in the uploaded data file. Further, to generate the feature analysis and data report, click on the Data Profiling from the More Options button by clicking on the three dots. We'll discuss more on this feature later. The Data File module helps you to ensure that your data is well organized before moving on to deeper analysis and processing. Starting an experiment. There are 3 ways to start your experiment. The first is through the dashboard, by clicking on the plus icon in the Experiments section. Alternatively, you can create an experiment from the Experiments menu by using the plus icon on the right top corner of the toolbar, or on the Data Files menu by right-clicking on the More option on the data file. Let's create our first experiment from the Experiments menu. You'll need to upload your data file from your local desktop, or you can select a file which was previously uploaded. AnyML also supports all widely used data platform connections, through which you can integrate your data source and select your data. We offer the flexibility to integrate any standard data source platforms based on your requirements, allowing seamless access and management of your data. Here, I've uploaded a CSV file containing customer data for a churn prediction experiment. Once you select the data, you can preview it to ensure it's ready for processing. Selecting the target feature, AnyML supports different problem types. Select your target feature for binary classification, multi-class classification, regression, and time series. The target feature is the column in your dataset that you are going to predict. Select No Target Feature option for anomaly detection and clustering problem types. In our case, the target feature is churn, as the use case is to predict whether customers will churn or not. This is a binary classification problem type. Understanding data profiling. Before diving into model creation, it's essential to understand your data thoroughly. You can preview your file and select columns to include in your model training. In the field of data science, a column in a dataset is commonly referred to as a feature. For example, an Excel column becomes a feature once uploaded to AnyML. By clicking on the Data Profiling button, you will see summarized statistics, detailed analytics, and feature distributions, helping to visualize patterns within your data. Advanced settings. AnyML has default settings that are based on the best data science practices to provide effective results without complex configuration. To learn more about each parameter, click on the tooltip by hovering the icon next to the parameter name. If you're just starting out, we recommend using the default settings until you become more familiar with the impact advanced settings has on your modeling. For experienced users seeking more control, the advanced settings are where you can configure and customize various aspects of the machine learning process to tailor the analysis to your needs, all without writing any code. You can adjust parameters, select specific algorithms, and fine-tune pre-processing and training steps to ensure your model is precisely aligned with your objectives. This flexibility enables you to conduct more targeted and nuanced analyses. If you don't have a data science team, our experts are available to advise you on choosing the specific configuration to fit your needs. Data processing. Let's start model building by clicking on the Start Modeling button. The first step in model creation is data processing. AnyML automatically handles data cleaning by using over 30 best-in-class data cleaning practices, such as missing value imputation and outlier elimination. You can see the tool analyzing the dataset and generating insightful statistics and logs in real time. This ensures that your data is in the best shape for model training. Model training. Once data processing is completed, AnyML will initiate model training. Model training is the process of teaching a machine learning algorithm to make predictions or decisions based on data. You can track the training progress and real-time updates on model accuracy and key metrics on the leaderboard. After training is completed, models will appear on the leaderboard, where they are shown along with performance metrics. This allows for easy comparison and selection of the best model for your needs. We use our proprietary AnyML score to rank models based on how well they perform, considering both training and testing results. You can also explore advanced features like model stacking, which leverages multiple models to improve accuracy. Model reporting. To gain a detailed understanding of your model, we can navigate to the model reporting by selecting the model report icon or double-clicking on the model name. AnyML generates comprehensive reports based on data science best practices for each model, including performance metrics, confusion matrices, ROC curves, and more. To learn more about each metric, click on the tooltip by hovering the icon next to the metric name. You can also view feature importance to see which features contributed most to the model's predictions. Different reports are available for different problem types, presented as infographics to simplify complex information. Scenario Builder. One of the standout features of AnyML is the Scenario Builder for model exploration and validation. This allows you to create hypothetical scenarios to see how the model performs under different conditions. For example, you can simulate how different feature changes impact outcomes. There are 4 modes in the scenario builder to explore hypothetical scenarios: counterfactual, prediction, batch prediction, and what if. This feature provides deeper insight into potential business impact. The counterfactual mode is used to determine the specific values or conditions that would be required to achieve a desired outcome with a certain probability. This type of analysis helps in understanding the causal relationships and potential impacts of different decisions or actions. If a company aims to reduce customer churn, counterfactual analysis can provide valuable insights to achieve this goal. For instance, it might reveal that converting a customer from a monthly subscription to an annual plan could significantly lower the likelihood of churn. In the prediction mode, a user can predict the target feature outcome by experimenting with hypothetical values of all features, aiding businesses in making informed decisions by evaluating multivariate scenarios. For example, by modifying specific columns such as contract, paperless billing, payment method, and additional services, users can calculate which one has the greatest impact on reducing churn. Prediction scenarios can be saved for future reference via the Save button. For batch predictions, you can upload your data file using a predefined template to process the results efficiently. What If mode is a decision-making tool used to assess the impact of alternative scenarios on a given outcome. By altering input variables, it helps predict how changes will affect the results, allowing for better planning and strategy development. For example, users can predict whether a customer is likely to churn by comparing the churn percentages for different subscription models, such as monthly or annual subscriptions. This analysis identifies scenarios with higher or lower churn probabilities, enabling more confident and effective corrective actions to achieve the desired outcomes. To learn about each scenario builder mode step by step, click the Page Guide button in the Help section at the bottom left corner after navigating from the Each Mode page. Page Guide provides clear, concise instructions for each mode and context-specific support, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience as you build and analyze your scenarios. One-click deployment. Once you select your best model, you can deploy it using the one-click deployment feature. Simply click on the cloud icon on the leaderboard and then click the Deploy button. This approach seamlessly deploys the model with any DevOps knowledge required. After deployment, you will be redirected to the MLOps module. This module helps you organize, manage, monitor, and control all your deployed models. The deployed model can be integrated into any third-party application using API credentials. AnyML also monitors the model's performance in real time and alerts you to any data drift. User dashboard. Now that you have an understanding of what AnyML does, let's return to the dashboard for fast navigation and tracking. Whenever you log in, you land on the dashboard, which provides an at-a-glance view of your ongoing experiments, recent model training sessions, and system performance metrics. You can easily navigate to each activity to track and review your progress, as well as monitor resource utilization. This centralized hub keeps you informed and helps you utilize your time efficiently, ensuring that you stay on top of your machine learning projects. This concludes our tour of AnyML. From data uploading to going live in production, AnyML makes the entire machine learning process efficient and accessible. Thank you for viewing this video today. Now you are ready to unlock new insights and drive innovation in your projects with our end-to-end AnyML solution. To learn more about specific modules or features, check our video learning library using the links in the description below. If you have any questions, explore our website or reach out to our team by email.